Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your photos and videos in CapCut. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after you open the app, you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon. And now you have to select from your gallery that video or videos and photos that you would like to edit. And when you open one of them, then at the bottom of the screen you should see the third option is text, and now the second option is stickers. Click on it, and here you can see a bunch of options, and obviously if you click on one of them, then you can see that it's added. And here you can change the size of it. You can duplicate it if you want, or if you click on that X, then it will be deleted. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.